Simon Says subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from Simon Says It. In this video, I will show you how to create a slicer in Excel. Excel is usually preferred for its ability to store and access large amounts of information. To improve user friendliness, Excel has a lot of options and functions available to help the users search, find, or retrieve data. One among them is the Excel Slicer option. Excel Slicer works like a filter, helping sort out information from pivot tables and Excel tables. They help filter out and point out the required information from the large repository of data and present them in an easy-to-read and appealing format. In this guide, I will show you how to create a slicer in Excel and how they work. There are two ways to create an Excel slicer. One from the pivot table and the other from Excel table. First, let us see how to create an Excel slicer from a pivot table. When you have a pivot table in Excel, you can create the Excel slicer using the Pivot Table Analyze option. Under Filter, click on Insert Slicer. This opens up an Insert Slicers dialog box. In the dialog box, select the elements to create slices of. You can choose one or more slices. Click OK. This creates the slices. Now, you can sort the required data from the large repository of data easily. Second, let us see how to create an Excel slicer from an Excel table. To create a slice from an Excel table, go to the Insert menu. Under Filters, click on Slicer. You can also select the Insert Slicer from the Table Design menu under the Tools section. This opens up an Insert Slicers dialog box. Select the elements you want to create slices for. You can also select multiple parameters while slicing elements from the table. For example, if you want to know about the students from two cities, Buffalo and Brunswick, you can use the Multi-Select option to select two or more parameters from the city slice. You can clear the parameters using the Clear Filter option to clear all the parameters and show all the elements in the original table. This creates the slices for the Excel table where you can sort out data easily. You can customize the slice parameters using the Slicer menu in the menu bar. Slicers in Excel are a great way to retrieve important information from a large set of data, resulting in lesser manual work and providing maximum efficiency. In this video, we have seen how to create an Excel slicer and how they work. Use them in the right places to ease your effort and make the data more presentable. If you have any queries, please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. We are always here to help you. Thank you.
If you're not a subscriber, click down below to subscribe so you get notified about similar videos we upload. To see the full blog article that this video came from, please click over there. And click over there to see more videos from Simon Says It.